I have chosen like quite an out there colour, which I hope pays off. I'm just trying to organise things. I think I almost dipped myself in the porridge. Wow, it really looks quite orange. I didn't realise you could see the mess. I honestly chat so much, and that's why I never upload these things. Good morning. I feel like I'm zoomed in, but maybe, oh yeah, we are. Good morning. If you can see the mess, this needs to be sorted. At the moment, I'm going through this like period in my life where I'm just trying to organise things. Actually, I feel like I've been going through this for like the last year, since we moved in, kind of. I've been really trying to like organise myself, but the truth is that like at the moment there's still a lot of furniture we need. We have been here over a year. There's still a lot of furniture we need. But good morning. I hope you guys are well. Today is Tuesday. I feel like I have started a vlog of some sort every week for the last long time. I basically like lose momentum and I end up not uploading anything, so we'll see if this week is the same. I'm going to sort my hair out after. Busy week this week. I have just general stuff to do, to be honest. Nothing like overly exciting. I do have a Christmas event tomorrow. It's an event I really enjoy. It's at the Islington Business Centre. Oh, I think I still had crumbs on my face from breakfast. And it's just nice to like see lots of different brands and get excited for Christmas, I guess, which I am quite excited about. But the plan for today actually is I'm going to my mum's house. Oh, by the way, I just used the Elizabeth Arden Advanced Ceramide capsules. Look like this. I do like these, but they also do some vitamin C ones, and I love the vitamin C ones. And then I picked this up, which is the CeraVe. I'm just going to link this stuff instead. This is the CeraVe moisturising cream for dry to very dry skin. I probably would say I have like normal to dry skin, but I picked this up from Amazon. It was like really affordable. I think it was like, I want to say it was £10, and it is massive. It's almost half a kilo of cream. Hold on. Yeah, almost half a kilo, sorry. I have been enjoying it. I have only used it like twice, and I don't think it'll be like my everyday moisturiser, but it'll be a moisturiser that I use every now and then, because I do like to try other stuff, but it's nice to kind of have like a core basic one to come back to, and I think this will be that. I'm off to my mum's house today because, like I said, I need to start organising everything, because I want to kind of organise things more, and I have a set of drawers at my mum's which just slide underneath the desk, and at the moment I've just got like some boxes underneath my desk with like stuff I don't want, and like, it's just not working for me, because like boxes are annoying because every time you want to get into them you have to like pull them out, and you know, it's a faff. And yeah, I just think it would work better for me. I think I could like organise things in them. To be honest, stuff that's in them in my mum's house is not doing anything there, because I don't really go into there very much. I know that like some of the drawers are actually like relatively empty. I think like one of them has like magazines in them that can be cleared, and the other one has like hairbrushes. But then I know I have a whole drawer with fragrance in it, and that is kind of like what I'm unsure what I'm going to do with that. I honestly chat so much, and that's why I never upload these things. This intro is 4 minutes long and I have said absolutely nothing, and that is my problem. I can't see myself, so I don't know if I've properly blended this SPF in. So I'm gonna go check that. I'm gonna do my makeup, and then post office, and then to my mum's house. I know it seems that everyone thinks they have ADHD at the moment, but I too also think I've got ADHD. I'm like 95% sure, 90% let's say. So I've been like really trying to like organise my life carefully, at least my days, because otherwise I would just procrastinate. So I've like really well not in depth, but I've quite in depthly, that's not a word, planned what I'm going to do today. So it's about 9 o'clock, so I should have already been to the post office, or be at the post office this minute, and I'm absolutely not. But yeah, if I don't stick to it, it's fine, but like it's still useful to have, basically, and I have found it's really helped me. So everything is a mess, which is why I haven't videoed anything. This also needs a clean, but just working my way through these. This is what I want to take home with me. It's basically all empty now. It's just this one drawer, but I've got somewhere for these to go. Oh, I just have to tidy the rest of the mess that I've made. So I am now home. I brought home my little this, and lots of other crap that I now have to sort through, but I am excited that that's home. I actually have like so much stuff to sort in this office. I have like this little side table. It's actually so messy I can't show you. This little side table which is kind of like, I guess almost like a desk extender, but I don't need that, especially now that I've got these drawers, because I can just put stuff on top of those. I'm just tired and I'm just like generally stressed about like lots of different things, like nothing, hopefully nothing serious, but nonetheless I just feel a bit stressed. And like, even though I'm like, it's just chill out, like it's probably nothing, like there's stuff I can solve, I'm still like, sometimes I feel like everyone's body just kind of reacts differently. But I think I'm gonna start cooking. I'm gonna make bangers and mash, which is so boring, but it's just easy. And today I just need something easy. Annoyingly, we don't have any vegetables though. We're just gonna have mash and sausages. And then the bake-off starts today, which I am so excited about. I can't even lie.
He'll catch some red-handed.
Just gonna high-five you about seeing your palms.
Good morning. It is actually just, it's still morning, but just, I am wearing my Mega Babe t-shirt, which is from an event I went to last month. It wasn't last month, a couple of months ago. Today is the day I finally tidied my desk. Oh, I'm actually a bit embarrassed to show you. I've cleared some of the things already off it. It is just insane. You are currently on the filing cabinet I bought from my mum's house, but this just is not working for me. I don't even know what to say. And there's just so much stuff. This table's gonna go somewhere, I don't know where. And then instead I'm gonna use the filing cabinet on the other end of my desk because I need drawers. I guess I'll keep this down here actually, because I'll use it to like lean stuff on, but for now, like whilst I'm sorting, but then it has to go elsewhere. I feel like you have to go on this side because of the light. So some time has passed. Oh. Oh. I didn't realise you could see the mess. Some time has passed. I'm getting there. I really struggled sometimes to like film whilst I'm doing things. I don't know why. I just want to get things done, and I feel like moving the camera around kind of takes away from that. I'm absolutely not done. I'm hoping I can get done by today, so I'm going to persevere a little bit longer. I was tidying my desk and then I got distracted, and like my desk is a mess again because I was like sorting stuff on it. I'm positive it will be sorted by the time I go to bed, but that's a while away, so I need to persevere. Don't know if I'm going to keep my hair like this because I don't think it really, I'm not sure. Maybe I'll bring it down into a clip instead, but we'll see. I am just checking if I've rubbed in all my cream. I am clearly still not finished tidying, but I am very much almost there. I can probably finish this in like maybe 10-15 minutes, so I probably should do that. Although because I've done so much of that yesterday, I have so much other stuff to do. So for example, I'm trying to get through this come down. Yeah, it must have. Did it? Oh yeah, it did. But the plan today is one of my friends is off today, and so I'm going to go and do, well, I have like errands to run. So she was basically like, do you want to go for a walk? And I was like, I do, but like, do you want to come run errands with me instead? And she said yeah. So I just remembered I've got quite a lot of stuff to do still before leaving the house. I need to pop to the post office because I sold like a dress on eBay, so that needs to go. What else do I need to do? I just want to go to charity shops, see what I can buy. I've got like a giant bag that needs to go to the charity shop, and I was going to do that, but the truth is that I don't think that I want to get the bus, and it's too much. The bag's too big basically. Oh, by the way, this is my new necklace. It's from a Monica Vinader. I was kind of gifted this, so this and also like these little earrings. I hope you can see that these are Monica Vinader too. I wear lots of Monica Vinader. Some of it I bought and some of it they sent to me, and I just swear by it because they have a 5-year warranty. This isn't sponsored by the way, but I wasn't even going to talk about this today, but they have a 5-year warranty, and Like for example, not gonna lie, I've had this ring quite a while actually, maybe like 3 or 4 years. I don't know how to show you this. Yes, I've had this ring like 3 or 4 years, and it's starting to discolor a little bit around the edges, and I'll just like message them on their website and they will replace that for sure. But like, to be fair, that's because I wear this one a lot, and I think I wore it a lot on holiday, and I've just been like not really taking it off. This one, for example, I've had for longer. I bought this one maybe over 5 years ago, maybe like 6 years ago, and I still wear it, still in pretty good condition. So yeah, so I'm gonna finish some work. I need to write a little to-do list for today, even if it's just stuff like what I need to buy whilst I'm out. I feel like I just remembered this minute how much I have to do, and I need to leave the house in like an hour and a half. Also, if you're thinking, Sabrina, it'd be so much easier for you to use your actual big screen. I don't know why I always just use my laptop, but yes, you'd be right. A little bit of lunch. I am making porridge. Obviously people usually have porridge for lunch, breakfast I mean, not for lunch, but breakfast is my favourite meal of the day. I really like toast. This camera angle is not good. I really like toast, and I'm not gonna wear this by the way because I love this cardigan, it's my favourite. It's from Lindex, but I think it's a bit cold basically, and also like I don't know, I don't feel that comfortable. I don't have shoes. I don't know, maybe I'll wear this, we'll see. It's a bit cold, but yeah, I like breakfast is my favourite meal of the day, but I really like to have eggs and toast, maybe my favourite food ever, or just generally breakfast food I really enjoy. Porridge is quick and easy, and so I really like to have porridge for lunch, and I don't think it'd be weird if I had eggs and toast for breakfast, for lunch. I don't see why it's weird that I have porridge. I don't know, it's just easy because I always have porridge in the cupboard. Today I had a banana going off, which is the main reason I want to have this, and I don't really have any other food, so it's just easy. And I cook it on the stove because it's just so much better. You have so much more control over it. I add oat milk, cinnamon, and then chia seeds, and usually a banana. And sometimes I try to like pimp it up with other stuff. Never goes well. Also, I don't know if I've said this before. I think I almost dipped myself in the porridge. This is, without doubt, the best podcast in my opinion. It's so funny. If you just want something really, really easy and to just have a laugh, it's great. And they often have like really amazing people on there. I mean, at least really funny. I got changed because I just wasn't comfortable, so I just feel like it's just not worth it really. So I am going to head out. This camera doesn't really have much battery. Well, maybe vlog a little bit on my phone. I need to see if it's cold outside, and then if not, I'll see you later, and I'll hopefully show you what I bought at the charity shops, but they can just be so hit and miss. God, I look very funny. Good afternoon. This isn't gonna work really. I'll hold it. Good afternoon. It is trying to zoom out. It is Saturday. I might be in the garden, as you can probably tell, I am currently sanding this set of drawers which our neighbours opposite put out, and we asked them if they could have it, and they said yes. So we brought it in, and I am now painting it. It's been in my house for like 3 months, I want to say, but it feels like the perfect time to do this. Mike is supposed to kind of be helping me, but generally he doesn't love DIY, and I'm okay with that. I think like he thinks it's a bit weird, and maybe like a lot of like older people do, but I don't mind it. I just feel like it's easier for me to just do it myself, but I am hoping he'll help me a little bit. And I have chosen like quite an out there colour, which I hope pays off. Fingers crossed. Also, how cool are these? Sorry, there's some crows in the tree over there, but I have so many sunflowers, but this one is a really pretty colour. And the bees, ooh, love them. picture. And I'm not sure. I've done the first layer. It's just kind of like leaving a weird texture. I'm going to do layer 2 and then decide if I should carry on. But like, it's really not that even, but it could be because of layer 1. Okay, so second coat is done. Oh, it's a bit streaky, but I was like reading online that like you shouldn't worry too much about the base coat, so fingers crossed it's okay. What is worrying me is that like there are patches where you can still see the knots, but you can't like wildly see them, and I did put some knot corrector over them, and I think like you can't really see too many of them. I feel like that one's quite a bad one, but the colour I have picked is really dark, but I'm worried that also there is a slight like orange tinge that's coming through. Oh, so we'll see. Are we zoomed in? Why? Good morning. It is Sunday. It's quite sunny, as you can tell if I stand here, but it's not super early. It's 10 AM. I got up a little bit later than usual. I've been up for a while, but I've just been in bed on my laptop, and I just remembered that I have to paint what I started yesterday, which I'm looking forward to, because at least it'll be like, it's exciting because it's an actual colour rather than the primer, but I'm just really worried that it's not going to be great. And also our house is a mess. I think because my dishwasher's full, we just left dishes everywhere, and it's annoying because Mike's now at football, so that's gonna be a me task. I guess we can also check on how this looks. Oh, I mean, not great. I can already see some knots. Oh, I hope this works out. I mean, it's okay, but you can visibly see knots here, and it's a tiny bit orange. To be honest, I think that the colour I'm painting it is dark enough, so I'm just gonna paint it. I really hope I don't regret it, because obviously going back to this stage will be really hard, and to be honest, I do not think something I'll be bothered to do. Like, if it goes wrong, I'm not gonna lie, I'll probably just get rid of the set of drawers. But fingers crossed. I am painting it like, I don't have a colour to hand, but it is like a browny, reddy, orange, pinky shade. I guess like almost a terracotta, but not quite. So today we are going to ignore my appearance. I really need to wash my hair, and that is a task for once everything's been dealt with. You can see that there's the mess in the background. But I think I'm gonna sand. Honestly, I'm not even like mildly in the mood to do this. I wish I wasn't doing this today. I think because I'm a bit nervous it's not gonna work out well. I'm gonna do a little bit of sanding now, then I'm gonna tidy my kitchen, and then I'm gonna do the painting, because I'm gonna sand over the primer just to make sure that the product that I'm putting on top adheres properly. Like I think the reason I don't want to do this is because I am nervous. This just isn't gonna work, and it's a bloody waste of my time. But we're here now. And also, I know it's gonna be cold, but I want to wear a t-shirt because I don't want to wear a jumper. I don't have a jumper that I want to ruin, so it's gonna be cold. I've had to put a hat on because it's quite sunny. Can you see me? I think so. This is absolutely not what you use to open tins, but I'm going to use this key and show you this colour. Okay, it looks bright orange. I don't think it will be bright orange. Wow, it really looks bright orange. Okay, so layer 1 is done. If it looks like extra stripy, it's actually just a reflection. I am mildly confident, like it is definitely really patchy, but I'm mildly confident that you can't see there because of the reflection, but I guess maybe you can here. By the second coat, or at least the third, it'll be good. But I'm gonna leave this to dry. I'm gonna go wash my hair, which honestly I haven't done in a ridiculously long time and feels like somewhat of a treat.